Round earth is a technique for constructing foundations, floors, and walls using compacted natural raw materials such as earth, chalk, lime, or gravel. At Kasa Konsultants, we help you build a round earth house in Ghana or any part of Africa. This technique is eco-friendly, has no chemical effects, and affordable. Meet the CEO of Kasa Consultants, who is going to demonstrate how these walls are very thick and can withstand water.
Apply to the same surface again, right?
Depending on your location of land, design, and finishing, Kasa Consultants can give you a great estimate and help you build your dream house. This is a 2-bedroom house built for a client. At Kasa Consultants, we just don't talk, we deliver.
It's beautiful, it's natural, it's cooler, it's pretty.